everyone, welcome back to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Autoit error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing Autoit error, line 0 error on your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you simple method to fix this issue. First of all, you have to download Autoit application. Open your Chrome browser, just paste the link what I will provide in the video description link, then hit enter. You can see here download Autoruns, just click on this and download complete. Right click, then click on extract all, click on extract, open the extract folder and run the Autorun application. Here just click on everything, all you will find your Autorun applications. Suppose if you want to delete anything, just right click on that, then click on delete. After doing this, still you are facing the issue due to some viruses, then what you have to do, you have to open your command prompt. For that you just need to click on start menu, then type here cmd. Right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Type the command sfc space /scan now. Then hit enter. It will take some time to complete. After completion of this, once you have to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Autoit line 0 error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.